Welcome back, BeInCrypto. In today's video, we're going to be looking at BTC to USD, also known as Bitcoin to US dollar. We're also going to be looking at the current coin market cap as well as an article posted on BeInCrypto's website. As you guys can see right now, Bitcoin dominance is 68% and the market overall is fairly low. We lost a lot of volume and a lot of gains or potential gains as the market pretty much just decided to move downside to the downside. Major retracements all across the board. Everything was affected by this major pullback within Bitcoin. And I'd like to really show that with you guys. You can see this pretty obvious right here that we had a major symmetrical triangle forming on Bitcoin's daily charts, and you can see what exactly happened here very easily. Were we able to predict it? We weren't necessarily expecting to see a break to the downside. We were just as informed that it could have broken to the upside, but unfortunately it decided to choose to break to the lower end of the charts. We did know that it was going to happen though. We knew that there was going to be some sort of major rush in volume, and when it did, the market cap shot up to, I believe it was 100 billion, a little over 100 billion. We're currently at 68, and I think it was yesterday it was like 49 billion. So we've had almost double the volume move into or leave the market for that matter. And you can see we pretty much tracked where the breakout was going to happen. Unfortunately, it broke bearish and it fell to a low down here, and there is that possibility it could fall as low as here right now. You could base this off of a quick math right here, just opening the mouth of the target, which is about, I'd say, 40% right here, and then if we just move this over, we can then assume that it could break to as low as, or even lower, guys, actually down here. But very, very, it doesn't look possible, but it's still there. It is still an option, and I just wanted to inform you guys that that is still a possibility. There are other things we can use to figure out where we could fall down to. Right here, the Fibonacci looks great too. Opening this up, you can see we had our uptrend was to right here, and yeah, this is pretty much the lowest I figured you would go down to before we started to hit major lows. You can see 40% downwards is about right here where this red candle, or where this red box starts to end, and you'll notice the short-term retracement was to right about here as well. So this looks great that we did hold this very nicely, but otherwise I think this is about the lowest we're going to fall. For the most part right now on Bitcoin, we could hit a little bit lower down to 7,000, but I think we've seen enough retracement being extremely oversold as well. Otherwise, guys, just check out the BeInCrypto article posted, the first link in the description. You can see the Bitcoin's latest crash posted a couple hours ago. This goes into detail as to what exactly to expect, what to fear, and things to pay attention to. Otherwise, that will sum up today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.